Hello everyone, welcome back. As promised, in this video I will teach you how to design a Facebook page from scratch. I would like to reiterate here that Facebook page is must before you start for any advertising campaigns. So before we start designing our Facebook page, let us know more about Facebook pages. Now, what is Facebook page? A Facebook page is a public profile specifically created for businesses, brands, celebrities, causes, and other organizations. Facebook fan page is different from personal profile in many ways, like personal profiles gain friends, whereas Facebook pages earn fans, which are people who choose to like a page. Facebook page can gain unlimited fans, whereas personal profiles may have only 5,000 friends maximum. Facebook pages work similar to the profiles, updating users with the things like the status, links, events, photos, and videos. Using Facebook page, brands want to be in touch with their fans, prospects, customers, and look for long-term relationship. The most important point here, to create the Facebook page, you must have your personal profile. However, your personal profile activities will not be shown on Facebook page or vice versa. These are two independent identities. So after learning the basics about Facebook page, let us quickly start designing our page directly from the Business Manager account. Let us again log into our Business Manager account. I will advise you, if you have already logged into your Business Manager account, first log out of it, because I want to show you each and everything step by step. I am using my login credential to log into my Business Manager account. Now we have to select a business account that we have created in the previous video. I have 3 accounts here, but in your case there might be only one account. I am selecting this account DMOOC that we created in the previous video. See, we have an ad account and the page that we created last time. As we have to edit the page, so click on this page, Digi Service. This is our page and see how does it look like. It is not looking like a professional business page at all. There is no profile pic, no cover photo, no call to action button. Don't worry, we are going to modify this page and make some changes in the setting so that it works like a business page. Just go to the settings of the page. Now see, we have bunch of settings here. Don't get afraid. I am going to talk about all the settings one by one. Just follow me. Under General Settings, the very first setting that we have to change is the page visibility. See, your page is published and live now. Tell me, by looking at the condition of our page, what impression it would have on our visitors. Would you like to leave it a live page? No, absolutely no. If any prospect will visit our page, it will leave very negative impression about our brand. So firstly, we have to unpublish the page. Click on Edit, select Page Unpublish and save the changes. Select the reason the page isn't finished yet and click Next. Select an appropriate option by expressing what do you need to finish your page. Click Unpublish. Now our page is unpublished. We can work on this page with free of mind. Close it. Next setting is about visitors post. By default, anyone can publish on page and anyone can post photo and videos on the page. If you want to restrict this activity, click on Edit. You have the option that you can review the post of others before these are published. It is your call, what do you want. You may totally disable that no one can post on your page. Only you will be able to publish on your page. Let it be, anyone can post on my page. Next we have newsfeed audience and visibility of post. If you want, when you create a post, you can choose who can see it in the newsfeed by selecting your audience's interest, gender, age, and more. Let it be unchecked. because it will increase your workload. Next, we have post and story sharing. By allowing it, people can share your page stories, post or event to their own story. This includes your page name and a link to what you originally shared. Let it be default. Next, we have the messages. This setting will allow the people to communicate you privately. Let it be default. Next, we have the tagging ability settings. Let the settings be default. Let page location for effect be default. Then we have the country restriction. If you want to show your page in a particular country or don't want to show it in a particular country, then these settings are very useful. So make an appropriate choice out of the given options. You can choose the country just by typing the initials of that country, like if I want to select India. Let it be visible in all countries. Next, we have the age restrictions. Depending upon nature of your business or page, you can select your audience by restricting it on the basis of age. Let it be default. Next, we have the page moderation. If you want to block posts or comments containing certain words that are not suitable for your brand or are not socially acceptable, then you can mention these words here. In future, posts or comments containing such words will be blocked. You can also upload the .csv file of those words. Similar to these settings, Facebook has its own profanity filter. With profanity filter turned on, Facebook automatically blocks the commonly reported words or phrases that are marked as offensive. You can choose whether to on profanity filter for your page and to what degree. Next, we have similar page suggestions. It allows the Facebook to suggest your page in the similar page suggestions on others' timeline. It is good for us to have the more visibility to our page, so let it be default. Next, page update. If the setting is on, then for any update on your page like address, phone number, etc., a post will be created automatically which will keep our fan updated about any change in the page. Next, we have the option to translate the post in multiple languages. Let it be default. If you want the most relevant comment at the top in the timeline, then you can select this option. Next, we have the content distribution. If you want to restrict the downloading of the content of your page, then check this option. Next, we have the downloading of the page. If you want to keep the backup of your page content, then you can simply download the content from here. Next, we have very good option to merge the multiple pages. If in the past your organization has created multiple pages with similar aims, then you can merge these pages in a single page. For this purpose, you have to select the multiple pages. You can only merge the pages if you are the admin of both of the pages. Further, those who have liked your page, they will be informed about it. The content of the merged page like post, videos, images will be deleted. Next, we have the option to delete the page. The last setting is about the live commentary. Live commentary is a feature within watch parties that allows the user acting as a host to watch party to provide videos and audio commentary during the broadcast. So this was all about the general settings of the page. Study all the general settings and take appropriate decision according to your business and brand. Believe me, one wrong setting may spoil the entire show of your page. So be careful.